Alright, my name is Sullivan King, and for our project on curing hereditary diseases with CRISPR, we chose sickle cell anemia. Now, sickle cell anemia is a hereditary disorder caused by a misshapen and deformed hemoglobin DNA strand. This can cause the red blood cells to be very misshapen, there to be a lack of blood flow in them, and cause them to carry less oxygen, which can lead to complications and even death. Now, because these infected blood cells can die earlier than normal blood cells would, they can often pile up and block the blood flow in your veins, well, in the veins of people that have sickle cell anemia. And this can cause even more complications and can be extremely painful if left unnoticed for too long. Now, CRISPR and Cas9. So, CRISPR stands for Clustered Regularly Interspaced Short Palindromic. And it is a naturally occurring gene, or bacteria, I should say, that can go through and make certain bacterias and organisms immune to certain diseases by taking a copy of the um, DNA in question, searching for it throughout its own DNA strands, and then removing them from the being itself, making it immune to the effect in question. And this can be used for various diseases and is now being used to edit the genomes of various things such as food and even humans. As you can see here, this is a Cas9 cell. This larger green part is the Cas9 enzyme, whereas the purple strands signify the uh, gene that it is searching for through the red strands, which is the organism's DNA itself. Now, curing sickle cell anemia is, as of now, not possible. There is no known cure for sickle cell anemia, and along with that, there is very limited treatments to what we can do. And these treatments do little more than ease the pain of what is happening and temporarily fix the problems they have. Now, the prognosis of people who have sickle cell anemia is not the worst, but it is not a hopeful outlook. Usually, people with sickle cell anemia will pass and die much earlier than those without sickle cell anemia for the reasons of complications with the red blood cells piling up and blocking blood flow, to their immune system not getting enough oxygen to function properly, um, and them succumbing to infection and various disease. And because of this, them not getting as much oxygen, their immune system is much weaker than that of a normal human. But because of this, well, not because of this, but 9, we have the potential ability to cure hereditary diseases such as sickle cell anemia. By using CRISPR and Cas9, we would be able to go through through the patient's DNA and be able to remove the damaged and misshapen parts of the DNA strand. Now, doing this could prove difficult, and trying to locate the precise areas and figuring a way to replace it, but in the end, all hereditary diseases such as sickle cell anemia could be cured.